love this Asian-inspired pomfret, firstly because it is baked, and secondly because it is bursting with flavor. So all you need to do is alternate ingredients to create variations of the same. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we get to creating it. To begin with, we're going to take a tablespoon of coconut cane sugar and put it in about 45 ml of hot water. Allow it to mix up and just get to creating some blitzer magic. Into the blitzer goes in a handful of cilantro or coriander leaves, about 8 leaves of this gorgeous flavoring, that's the beautiful kaffir lime leaves, 8 bird-eye chilies, the heat is sharp and intense, about 6 to 8 cloves of garlic, a nice bulb of lemongrass just roughly chopped up, the juice of 1 lime going in, about 60 ml of fish sauce, and this is so essential to blitz everything up and give it that gorgeous flavor. And finally, the cane sugar that has been emulsified in hot water going in. That's it. All you need to do is blitz this baby up. 2 pomfrets, nearly 300 grams each, cleaned and gutted. Get a sprinkling of some celery sea salt. Be a little careful because the fish sauce is nice and salty. Flip it, give it another sprinkling, and it's time to slather that all spicy marinade right on top. Just take it and put it. I'm not using my hands because it's going to create a lot of havoc with the heat. All the remaining sharp marination goes into the cavity and on top. I've just put this on a foil-lined, greased tray so that it is easy to bake. This is totally optional, a slathering of some roasted sesame oil on top, but it just intensifies the overall flavor. So a fine drizzle, nearly 5 ml per fish. And it's time to garnish this with none other than some slit bird-eye chilies. So spicy, be careful, and use the heat that is suitable to the entire family. The scalding hot heat of the oven, 180 degrees Celsius or even 200 for 20 minutes is all that's required. "20 minutes in, this gorgeous creation is ready. Plating and garnishing is a simple style out here, an oval platter with the fish nestled down. All you need to do is give it some kind of citric element with some lemon wedges, loads of them actually, just to balance out the spice content in this gorgeous creation. Garnishing this with some edible flowers is all that's required out here. This healthy baked creation is truly the simple joys of living. I hope you enjoyed creating this wonder with me. Simple, baked, and gets done in perfectly 30 minutes. My Asian style or Asian inspired pomfret is a decadent luncheon wonder to enjoy anytime. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a comment below.